Bellow on the beat.
Alright y'all, so we tried the infamous dumplings, and for my sauce I used a sweet Thai ginger sauce, some honey, and the chili crisp. I was not paying $10 for no hot honey day sauce, so that is what I use, and also the packet that came in the box. You need to really get it with the... He didn't want to. Yeah, you gotta really get it with the sauce. Okay. Well, it's gonna be hard to try to get all of us in here. And this one is the chicken one. So we're trying to... Both of these are chicken? No, this one is chicken, and then the other one is the pork one.
Look big. You can hold it in your mouth.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay. I mean, you can, but... Okay.
Everything off of this.
It ain't that hot to me. None of yours is all messed up.
I'm gonna just grab it.
That's right. The sauce is really good with it.
Very
forever.
That's good.
No, you didn't buy it. You gotta.
Yeah, I need sauce back. Yeah, that sauce is so good. Yeah, you're right.
You hot?
Mm-hmm.
Like it? All right, y'all. We definitely enjoyed these. It was like a little sweet, savory, spicy, which kind of hit you at the end type of snack, y'all. So it was really, really good. 10 out of 10. We'll recommend. That's something.
I like that.
I think so too. I remember we went to Walgreens afterwards, didn't we? Babe, I think that can go in there with Jay.
Baby, we never been to St. Augustine Beach.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Son, I was saying that can go in there. Remember the beach we went to? I'm sorry, babe. And then we went to the Walgreens afterwards? Okay. Huh?
Or dirt.
That's where we went.
That was not dirt. What?
Right.
Son, your head gonna be hot.
Cheers.
Okay, sun going down. It's like a long walk. He's reading the rules. No pets? No, it don't. Are you serious? I'm about to say. Oh, child. Ooh.
All those times. He was like, they didn't have sandals, but they couldn't even have tennis shoes. So you can bless them with some better shoes. You got some water guys. So,
Yeah, them slides are just fine.
Oh my God. He said those people really need that blessing that hard. We need to go back. Oh my God.
Look like they on Baywatch. You two running in a red short. You too young. You too young to know what Baywatch is. What he reading now? Babe, what you reading now? What it say? Stay out of stay out of the dunes or dump. What that is, babe? Okay, lifeguard, all right. Fire rescue, just in case. How they know we setting up right there? Child, you see that person waiting right there? You see right there? Oh my goodness. Child. We go to the tip of the tip. Put a little feet in, back up. Nah, that ain't the tip we got. Let's see how many hands it take to put this up. Oh, really? real brave and do what? Jump it? No, you stay right there at the tip. Right, anybody got no 5 minutes? You stay at the tips, dip your feet, and come back. Ain't got time to have to get out there and save nobody. Cause I'm the only one know how to swim. Swim good, I should say. But Daddy said they got a lifeguard. You peeped that, huh?
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow, jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed.
All right, y'all, we are out here at the St. Augustine Beach. I want to go to the beach and just be with my family and stuff. So yeah, that's what we at right now. And this is so nice. Woo. Man, Dad just saw a crab in the water.
Yeah,
you saw it? Woo. I know, right? I don't know what that was. That's like a tarantula. A scorpion. I mean, what is it called? Scorpion. Something that washed up. You gotta pay attention. Yeah, I can't just walk in this yoga. I gotta pay attention. What you see? Another crab? Do you think it's dead?
I don't know. Right there, you see it?
Yep. Dang. Where's that joke at?
It ain't dead right there.
It's not? Ooh, ooh.
Oh, yeah, it is.
It's dead? Because it's on, I think it's on his back. Well, the kids going way down there, ain't they? I gotta pay attention to what's in the water as I walk. You should have told me when I went over there.
Huh?
You should have told me when I went over there. Huh?
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat if I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real.
All right, y'all. So after the beach, I went ahead and stopped by the cosmetic company store that is out there at the St. Augustine outlets. Got a few Clinique products out there that I saw and some mascara. So yeah, got some goodies out there. And then we went ahead and stopped by Buc-ee's since it is out that way as well. If you know, you know. So yeah, grabbed a sandwich from Buc-ee's. And yeah, this right here is going to be the end of this vlog. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not. Don't forget to comment and share as well. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Othello on the beat.